What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. We're going to bring it back for a little bit. I was waiting for 1,000 subscribers, so just do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. If you like these videos, let me know, because we're bringing back Tesla Tuesday, where we're just going to talk about Tesla, kind of keep up to date. It is my second biggest position in my investment account, which is soon to be probably the biggest. But also, I trade a lot. With this volatility, there's just no doubt that Tesla is just an awesome stock to trade. Like, I, hands down, have made way more money trading Tesla than I have just buying and holding. One, I get to skip the red candles and buy back in lower. I also get to short it when it goes down, which I do have a not very good track record of swinging it overnight short. Definitely more of an intraday thing. But today marks the first day I swung a Tesla put. Let's get into Tesla real quick. So I bought a Tesla put last night, right? Yesterday. Swung it. Now, I gotta admit, I did chicken out a little bit. So I was, if you look at the deltas, there were 49 deltas, right? It's an options contract for next week. It was at the money. I did chicken out, and I bought 40 shares. I told my mentorship chat, I said, here's how I'm gonna play this. I'm gonna let one tag out, let the other one recover, right? So if we gap up, I'm gonna put my stop in the green on those shares, and when those tag out, you know, whatever happens to that put hopefully just comes back to life a little bit, and I'll get out that way. Should we gap down, I have no problem keeping those shares for a bit, you know, maybe buying my way out later. This is my trading account, not my investment account. But lock in the profits on the put, ride the shares back up, unless I think we break this. I wasn't really thinking we'd get all the way down here. So how it panned out this morning was, we opened up and thinking, oh man, thank you for at least buying those shares, because I thought we were just cruising. We hit that. I did put my stop in the green. Now that did tag out. The put did go a little bit red. Red. Then right here it just soared, and then we went for it. So that did tag out. I gotta say today though, I did swing a call. This one got me. So the last hour of the day, this is what we're seeing. And I'm thinking, it was probably this candle right here. Now, bear flag or reversal, I'm thinking maybe it's power hour. We send it back up. FOMC's tomorrow. We'll go short then. You know, I'll put my stop in the green. We'll call it good. I'll play, you know, I imagine every one of my trades are perfect, but, you know, that's why I have stop loss. That's why I have risk management in my mind, because, well, not all of them are. But it just started to break down. I was like, man, come on. I was hoping for that last little push up. The last 15 minutes, there's just days, you know, how we sell off all day. In the last 15 minutes, we get that bright green candle. It shoots up. Now, how I was going to play this was, I was actually, if we got that green candle right at the end of the day, I was going to lock in that call and grab a put. When I see that move at the end of the day, I do go against it. Not all the time, but often enough. That being said, we just kind of hung out down here. I stayed in. After hours, we are down. My focus right now is on this speed bump zone right here. Now, we hit that zone. We did pull back. So far, as it sits, everything is still bullish. That's still, if we turn right here, still a higher low. Still keeping this trend intact. We got close to the expected move and came down. The concerning part right now is FOMC tomorrow. And then, you know, what are they going to release when they release those notes or minutes? And how is that going to affect the market? Or let's say it is bullish. Are they going to, are we going to see institutions, anybody remove risk and take things off the market, which creates a red candle first? And then what am I going to just ride that out and hope that they don't just send that thing further down? So as it sits right now, I kind of wish I would have played it short, hoping for the best because I'm in a bullish position. But the sell-off today wasn't the best look. And if we look at tech overall, and I told you guys about this on Sunday, if we turn and make a lower high and we're testing down here, I don't think so. Our only chance right now is this holds right here. If this, I don't think we test this here. I don't think this is a double bottom. I just think we do go through. I think that'll be a lower high, and we'll make the lower low, which, you know, on a higher time frame, could just be building out a bull flag. As it sits right now, well, there's our sellers before. Let's just extend that out a little bit, because what we could be doing, and this goes against everything I literally just said, is basing out. So we could be so rally up, basing out, pushing up. Now this will affect Tesla. Tech stocks will likely move together. As much as Tesla likes to break away from things, I think it will hang out with this as well. After the move we've had up here, things need to cool off. But they need to pull over or pull back, and I don't think that holds. Hopefully, best case scenario, that's our low. We push up. What I would keep an eye out for is just grab the highs right here. I would keep an eye out for that. You know, are we going to make just yet another lower high, or does this come in? And Amazon's really showing this off right now. Where's Amazon at? Right, we got the higher lows, the lower highs. So which ways is going to pan out? Ultimately, that's a bullish pennant. But let's see, because I don't think we're out of the woods yet. Anyway, so as far as Tesla goes, just to wrap up this part. Ultimately, I'm watching this blue zone. If that breaks, I'm going short. I'll worry about buying it here again at the like the 1020 level. Now we did see Twitter's trying to stop Elon from actually just steamrolling the whole thing. They appointed him part of the board, and because he's now part of the board, he cannot own more than, I think, 14% of the shares, right? Because if he just buys it all, he's just manhandling that company, and he could just clean shop, get them all out. So you might think there's an open door policy. Like, oh, come on in, we'd love to have you. It's more like, please don't destroy us, because we know we're corrupt and we're crap, and we do hide everyone's true feelings and push our own narrative. So please don't destroy us. So they did bring him in, but I think that chain's already in motion. With Elon's share that he has now, right, you have to control, what 51%? If there was a vote to the shareholders, what do you think Elon's going to do? He's going to tweet it. Of course they're not going to hide it. They can't now. And then what is everybody on Twitter going to do? They're going to listen. They don't know anybody on the board. They're going to follow Elon's tweet. Elon owns Twitter. He's got it down. It's too late. Hopefully you weren't just a crap employee. That being said, we're kind of watching that now. It had a green reaction in the morning. Tried for that breakout. It's pulling back in. Provided the markets, though. I did trade this the other day. I did get in. That did tag out. I made quite literally a few bucks. Looking at it now, if the markets are green tomorrow, I'll be right back in this. I'm still not the biggest fan of Twitter. Out of all the social medias, it's the one I like the least. As far as stocks go, I'd much rather trade Snapchat, Facebook for sure. Just never been a huge fan of this. Maybe Elon's going to turn things around. I am very hopeful of that. So keeping an eye on there and any kind of more news Elon tweets out. That being said, I'll wrap it up here. I will see you guys all on the Don Fran Show for the Tuesday update. If you are unaware, you're on Don Fran Trading. Hit that subscribe. Turn the bell on so you know when I'm posting videos. Hit the like button. I know this is a lot to ask, but I also go live. All of these are pre-recorded. I go live on Don Fran Show on Sunday, Tuesday, and then there's a market update on Thursday. I will see you guys all there.